What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Car's Kitchen, and today we are doing this Biscoff cookie pound cake, and I think this cake will be perfect for the holidays. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by creaming our butter and our sugar. And next we're going to add in our cookie butter and make sure everything is well incorporated. So once everything is well mixed, we can start adding in our eggs. And you want to add one egg at a time and mix. And make sure you don't over mix, you guys. You don't want to do that. So we're going to add in our flour or our dry mix. And then we're going to alternate it with the buttermilk. Then go in with a splash of vanilla. And then once that's mixed in well, we can start pouring our batter into our greased bundt pan. So here you just see me shake and tap the pan on the countertop just to release some of those air bubbles. And we're just gonna let that go in the oven for about hour and 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, we are gonna start making our frosting. So we're gonna start off with creaming our butter and our cream cheese. Then we're gonna go in with some cookie butter, blend that until it's nice and smooth, and then we're going to add in some powdered sugar. And I'm just adding a little bit at a time. If you want to, you can sift the powdered sugar for a much better consistency, but I didn't have time for all that, so I'm just adding a little bit at a time. And now you just want to add milk until you get your desired consistency. You want a consistency where it's pourable. And you want to make sure your cake is nice and cool before you add your frosting or your icing. And just pour it all over your pound cake. Now you can stop here if you want to, but I went ahead and decorated my cake with some more Biscoff cookies. Just crumbed them all over the top. And this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.